Everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with MJ. Today we are discussing the UGC net solved question papers in sociology. First question. In contemporary Indian society, the incidence of crime has increased. Police alone cannot prevent and control the rate of crime. This is the assertion. So the reason, the community policing system along with public cooperation could help in reducing the rate of crime. The codes are given here. Option A is false but R is true. Option B, A is true but R is false. Option C, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option C, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Here the correct answer is option D, that is both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. During which decade Census of India recorded absolute decline of population size? Option A 2001-2011, option B 1911-1921, option C 1941-1951, option D 1981-1991. The correct answer is option B, that is 1911 to 1921. Which one of the following process defines demographic transition? Option A, migration and fertility. Option B, mortality and morbidity. Option C, fertility and mortality. Option D, morbidity and fertility. The correct answer is option C, that is fertility and mortality. Assertion. Less developed countries of the world have persistently shown evidence of higher population growth. Reason: poor countries lack natural resources for development. The codes are given here. Option A is false, R is true. Option B, A is true, R is false. Option C, both A and R are true. Option D, both A and R are false. Okay, the correct answer is option B, that is A is true, R is false. Match list first with list second. List first and list second. Industrial man is related with T. Burns. The presentation of self in everyday life. E. Goffman. The coming crisis of Western sociology. A. Goldner. Introduction to collective behavior. D. L. Miller. Who is the author of the book titled Women's Role in Economic Development? Option A, Catherine Scott. Option B, Nancy Hartsock. Option C, Esther Boserup. Option D, Dorothy Smith. Here the correct answer is option C, that is Esther Boserup. Who is most closely connected with phenomenological sociology? Option A, Max Weber. Option B, Emile Durkheim. Option C, Alfred Schultz. Option D, Louis Gossard. Here the correct answer is option C, that is Alfred Schultz. He is most closely connected with phenomenological sociology. Under high birth rate than the death rate for several generations, the shape of the population pyramid will reflect option A, wider top, smaller base. Option B, wider base than the top. Option C, bulging middle than top and base. Option D, similarity in base, middle and top. Here the correct answer is option B, that is wider base than the top. Which are modern rural social institutions in the post-independent India? First one, rural school, rural cooperative society, Gram Panchayat, village Panchayat. Find the correct combination according to code. Here the right answer is option D, that is rural school, rural cooperative society and Gram Panchayat. Which of the feminist ideologies seek to promote gender-free society? Option A, socialist feminism. Option B, radical feminism. Option C, liberal feminism. Option D, psychoanalytical feminism. Here the correct answer is option B, that is radical feminism.